Welcome to our lecture online. There's an interesting relationship between the number of sides a polygon has and the number of diagonals a polygon has. And the diagonal is defined as a line that goes from one corner to another corner in a polygon. For example, if we have a triangle with three sides, there are diagonals. You cannot draw a line from one corner to another corner inside a triangle. But for a polygon with four sides, we can indeed have two diagonals and so forth. So now, if a polygon has 35 diagonals, how many sides does that polygon have? And here's the equation: the number of polygons, or I'm sorry, the number of diagonals, n, capital N, is equal to n squared minus 3n over 2, where small n equals the number of sides. So we need to solve for n given the number of diagonals. So let's plug in the number 35 for capital N and see what we get. So we have 35 diagonals, which is equal to n squared minus 3n over 2, and we're going to solve that equation for n. And to show you how that works, let's try over here, where n is the number of diagonals, so n would be equal to little n squared. That would be 3 squared, there's three sides, minus 3 times n divided by 2. So we have 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. With four sides, we have n is equal to 4 squared minus 3 times 4 divided by 2. So in this case, that's equal to 16 minus 12 divided by 2, which is 4 divided by 2, which is 2. And you can see that clearly matches the number that we have. So let's see over here what we have. We're going to multiply both sides by 2, so we get 70 is equal to n squared minus 3 times n, or 0 is equal to n squared minus 3n, and that would be minus 70. So we're looking for two numbers. When I multiply, I get minus 70. When I add, I get negative 3. I think we can probably factor this. So 0 is equal to, and we have an n and an n. Two numbers multiplied together give me 70. When I add, I get a negative 3, so a minus 10 and a plus 7. So therefore, the answers are n is equal to 10 or n is equal to negative 7. Of course, negative 7 is not a good solution. There cannot be negative 7 sides to a polygon. So the only solution we have is that we have a polygon with 10 sides. So therefore, 10 sides will result in a total of 35 diagonals. And that is how it's done.